Welcome to Fun Electronics. In this video, we are going to see how to set up difference amplifier circuit in Tinkercad, and we will simulate using this. Go to create circuit. We need operational amplifier, 2 power supply, and we need 2 function generator, 3 oscilloscope. We need 4 resistors. So this is our circuit. First I connect one of the power supply negative point to another power supply positive point. That will make the ground point. First I connect this signal to the non-inverting inverting input. This another signal to non-inverting input. So this one is float this signal. This one is float this signal. Then we have to configure the values of the all equipments. So first I have to set the value for resistors. So according to the difference amplifier requirements, this one resistance divided by this one resistance should be equal to this one resistance divided by this one resistance. So according to that, I put same value for here too. This one also I gave 2. Here I put 4. Here also 4. So then I set the voltage value. Here 15 voltage, 1 ampere. Here 15 voltage. I need 0.01 second time division. 0.1 second. Here also second. I give same signal, same with the same frequency. So 10 hertz should be. This one is connect to the inverting input. So I give 2 peak to peak voltage, 2 voltage peak to peak sine wave. Should be 0. So this one is subtracted from this one, so I give more value for this. So same frequency I give 4, 6, 0. This line. So This one is peak to peak 2 voltage sine wave. This one is peak to peak 6 voltage sine wave. So according to our circuit, this one is the amplification ratio is so amplification ratio is 4 divided by 2. So that means 2. It's the subtraction is multiplied by 2. So subtraction is 6 minus 2, 4. So it's multiplied by 2. So we need to get the results 8 peak to peak voltage. So then we will check the simulation. So go to start simulation. So here check. This one is total 4 voltage. So 2 peak to peak sine wave. This one is total 10 voltage. So 1, 2, 3. 3 means 6 peak to peak voltage sine wave. So check the output. So this one is total 10 voltage. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means it's 8 voltage peak to peak sine wave. So according to our setup, we got the correct results. So this is the way to make the difference amplifier circuit. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.